Hello traders, and welcome to another educational video titled the Bearish Harami. Let's go through the specs of this popular bearish pattern. Now, the first candlestick in the pattern is a long body of either color followed by a second candlestick, a small candlestick, a small body again of either color. Now, the presence of this pattern at the top area of a rally has bearish implications. But before we go through the strategies, let me show you a couple of examples, a couple of combinations if you wish. And the first one, of course, is a long white body followed by a small black body, right? Note that the small body is contained within the body of the long white candlestick. This is part of the specs, right? And another combination is a long white body followed by a small white body. Once again, the small body is contained within the range of the long body, within the range of the long body. Again, bearish implications. Let's go through another example. Now we have a long black body followed by a small black body. Once again, the small black body is contained within the range of the long black body, and it has bearish implications. So as you see, there are different combinations because the color of these two bodies is not important. And another combination here, a long black body followed by a small white body, which is contained within the body of the previous body, with bearish implications once more. Good. Now let's identify the bearish harami on a real chart. By the way, harami means pregnant woman, and I guess you can see why they call it like that, because the small body, which is contained within the range of the long body, it looks like a pregnant woman. Good. It's pretty easy to identify it at the top of the rally, and of course the rest is history. The market collapsed once again. Now, first strategy, we identify the bearish harami at the top area of a rally near a resistance area, and we place a sell order right below the low price of the small candlestick. We can place a aggressive, allow me to say, sell order there, or we can use a sell order right below the low price of the pattern, which is going to be more conservative approach. Good. But nevertheless, we place a stop loss, a protective stop loss, right above the high price of the pattern. Take profit, it's a basic strategy. We can see the take profit at the 200% level. Good. Let's change the strategy. Once again, the resistance, we identify the bearish harami at the top of the rally. We place a sell order right below the low price of the small body and a protective stop loss right above the pattern. And now we modify the strategy using a 200% level to close part of the trade, and then we close the remaining at the 300% level. Excellent. Let's go through another strategy. Here we identify the bearish harami at the top of the rally near a resistance area, and we place a sell order right below the pattern. And note that this uptrend is it's ideal to draw an uptrend line. So we wait for price confirmation after we place the sell order and the stop loss. We wait for a price confirmation to fall below the pattern, and this is the case here. The price falls below the pattern, which happens to be below the uptrend line, and this is of course another excuse to go short. Now the take profit strategy is seen at the 200% level, and then we close the remaining at any reversal in the opposite direction, and this is the case here of the hammer. So at the presence of the hammer, we close the remaining of the position. One more strategy here, we see a downtrend, and we can draw a downtrend line by connecting two or more points, in this case two or more high prices, and we can see that while the market is falling, there are small rallies touching, terminating if you wish, near the downtrend line. And when we identify a bearish harami at the end of this rally, this scenario is not the best visually, but nevertheless I hope you get the point, then we can go short, expecting the continuation of this downtrend. Of course, the take profit strategy can use any percentages, including any Fibonacci extensions, and I used here the 161.8%, and I can combine it with any reversal in the opposite direction. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more in a while.